Hi everybody, it's me, Mr. Boardman, and I'm sorry I'm not there with you today, but I'm gonna show you how to make one of these adorable tiny little rabbits out of a pipe cleaner. I know a lot of you really enjoy making little creatures out of pipe cleaners, and this is a really fun, easy way to make a little bunny. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take one pipe cleaner and you're gonna bend it, and you bend it so that both of the ends meet, and it kind of looks like that. Then you have to turn this into almost like a little M. So I'm gonna bend this one that way, and I'm gonna bend this one that way. You can see it kind of looks like a little M right there. Those are gonna be the bunny's ears. So I can pinch them a little bit more so that that's gonna be my jumping off point. So now the next step is to take this part and you kind of crisscross it like that and then twist, just to keep those ears in place. So now I have two long stems coming down, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put them together, and this part's kind of tricky. So you put them together like that, and you take both of them, and you bring them up, over, in between those ears, around to the back, and you pull down. So that's gonna be like my little bunny head. And you can see I have my bunny head now, little bunny ears, and then again I have these two long, it kind of looks like a bunny with really, really long legs. So now the next step is to spread these out a little bit, twist once, just to keep that neck kind of in place. And then I'm gonna bend this side to make a little arm, and then I'm gonna bend this side to make a little arm, and then twist right below the arms. Lots of twisting just to keep everything in place here. You can always fix things later too. Okay, so now you can see I have my bunny ears, my bunny head, my little tiny bunny arms, and long legs. Now I'm going to do the same thing I just did, except for the feet. So I'm gonna bend this one in, and then I'm gonna bend this one in, so that I have these two little fuzzy bunny feet. And then the rest of this, the stuff that's kind of left over, you pull up and you wrap it around the belly so that the bunny has a little bit more of a belly. And I'm just gonna really wrap it so that it's tucked in. And hopefully, if you follow those steps, you'll have a tiny little bunny, and then you can kind of position the legs and the arms, and you can push it downwards if you want to make it a little bit more scrunched up. You can make it sit too. And then what I did is I took a tiny little white pom-pom and I just put a tiny dot of glue, one little tiny dot, and I'm gonna put that on the back of my bunny to make a little cottontail. And that's pretty much it. Now I have two little bunnies. Oh yeah, and then this one, I put little tiny beads on as eyes. So we have all these really, really small little beads. One thing that I have done that's helpful is if you take a toothpick and then put a little bit of this Elmer's glue on there, and you can actually use that to pick up your bead and place it in the right spot. So I hope you have fun with this. You can even make like a little carrot or make a whole family of bunnies, and you can put them in your pocket. So I hope you have fun with this, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.